Hello everyone. This video is about the Keplerian elements, the 6 parameters that define an orbit's size, shape, and orientation, as well as a satellite's position on that orbit at a specific time. The 6 classical elements are semi-major axis, A; eccentricity, E; inclination, I; argument of perigee, small omega; right ascension of the ascending node, big omega; mean anomaly, M. Because the satellite moves, you also need to time the so-called epoch along with the elements. The semi-major axis is half the longest diameter of the ellipse. It sets the orbit's energy and average size. Eccentricity tells you how stretched the ellipse is. For a circular orbit, E equals 0. Inclination is the angle between Earth's equatorial plane and the orbital plane. It sets the orbit's tilt. The argument of perigee is the angle from the ascending node to perigee measured within the orbital plane. It defines how the ellipse is oriented within its orbital plane. Right ascension of the ascending node is measured along the equator from the vernal equinox direction to the ascending node, the point where the satellite crosses the equator going north. The satellite's location on the ellipse is defined by mean anomaly. Mean anomaly, M, grows uniformly with time from perigee. Remember, elements plus epoch time define the full orbit state. Now you know the 6 Keplerian elements and what each one controls. Thanks for watching. If this helped, a quick click on subscribe tells me to make more content like this.